Let's talk about the facts of Hurricane Lee. Right now, it is a Category 1 hurricane, and it's moving to the north, and it will impact parts of New England and Nova Scotia this upcoming weekend. Here is the cone issued. This is Thursday evening, the 5 p.m. advisory, showing it weakening toward a tropical low as it approaches some of these cool Gulf of Maine waters. It's not going to keep the same hurricane characteristics, but it's still going to bring high wind gusts well over 60 to 70 miles per hour for places like Nantucket and perhaps the down east parts of Maine and Nova Scotia. Beyond that, though, inland, the big concern is just wind gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour, getting close to 40 as you get closer and closer to the coast. Let's break this down. This is early Friday morning. We're going to start with wind gusts near 30 miles per hour near Nantucket. And as the storm gets closer Friday overnight, that's when we see it getting close to 40 to 50 miles per hour here, the Cape and the islands. As this storm continues to move through, that's when we could see the wind gusts getting close to 60 plus on the Cape and the islands. This is very early Saturday morning, even to the northeast of Portland, Maine, stretching along the downeast part of Maine and Nova Scotia. We could be getting near 40 to 50 miles per hour as this moves through. Past that, as we approach Saturday afternoon into the evening hours, we still could see gusts well over 50 miles per hour. Yarmouth 50, St. John 50, but Cape and the Islands, you could be just getting near 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts past Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. All moving through by Sunday, so it's not going to be a concern for Sunday at all. Sunshine likely to return, and when all this is said and done, chance for 4 inches just to the eastern part of Maine here. But for most of us here in places like the Cape and the Islands and stretching up toward Portland and New England, it's not going to be a big rain event. Just wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour in places like New Hampshire, west of Boston, all the way down to Pike. Could only be seeing gusts getting close to tropical storm strength. If you're on the Cape and the Islands, the big concern is the wind gusts in the 1 to 3 feet of storm surge. Most of this, though, is the eastern parts of Maine and Nova Scotia. We'll continue to break this down here. So subscribe for more Hurricane Lee updates, tropic updates, and I'm in Savannah